looking at, what is it, 50, 52 degrees. I can only last 3 seconds underwater. I just moved out of it. So Monday through Friday, my mornings are typically clockwork. Nina's school drop-off is 8:30, so we got to be out of the house by like 8:15. I normally wake up around 6:45, do the morning routine with the kids, and then once we drop off Nina, I drop off Sia at 9, and I go there right after I drop her off, even though we have like 30 minutes to kill. We're always first in line, which allows me to drop her exactly at 9 when they open the door. Hold on, sorry. Oh. And then I jet straight to Lake Zurich to hit the gym from 9:30 to 10:30, and then I'm normally out of there by 11, and then I have exactly 30 minutes to get back to Antioch to pick her up from school. So it's a very systemized routine. And then, or 11:30 I have to pick her up. Yeah. And then I have, what do I have? I have from basically 12 or 11:45 till 3:45 to do whatever I want. But Nina gets off the bus at 3:45, and then after 3:45, we typically have dance. Both the girls are in dance, or we have karate. So I'm just a straight up soccer mom, dad from Monday through Friday, and I love it. Lorraine, where are you? Your order there.
What order?
So this is where I store my boxes, which I primarily use for my fires, but I really need a box. So I'm gonna find that one right there. Why is this happening to me? Oh my gosh! Come on, fucker. Oh no, that hurt. Oh geez. Okay. May have been an easier way, but alright. I just gotta drop off this key to the tenant. Leave that there for him. Why are there so many options? What the fuck? Forgot to throw this thing on the charger so I could do some of these leaves, blow them around a little bit. I met with a contractor today to finish out this basement in the attic, get rid of all this junk, duplex down. That'd be very nice. Also behind here, there's nothing, so I want to knock down that wall, push all these washer dryers back, open up the space. If anyone knows of anyone looking for an apartment in Lake County, we got a 2-bedroom, 2-bath for rent here. Each master bedroom has an ensuite. This is the entryway. Over here you have your 2nd bedroom. Master bath. Kitchen. Living room. Let me know. the truth.
If I had to choose it, murder when she wrong. Let's go.
Keep going, you're doing great. Mm-hmm. Now work your way up little by little and get more of the knots out. You a little tired? You're like, what are you doing?